Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts here, and in this video we're going to talk about the 3 signs that you need to replace your windows as soon as possible. Sign number 1, cold and drafty. Usually I get this from customers who have single pane windows, whether it's wood or aluminum, primarily aluminum, because aluminum, it will transfer the cold quickly. As the aluminum cools down, the glass is also cooling down quickly. What happens is cold air starts to come through. So your air that's inside the house reaches the glass surface, and as that happens, it starts to cool and drop. And as it's dropping, it gets down to your feet, underneath your drapery, or whatever the case is, and you can actually feel that cold air down low, because cold air is heavier than hot air. Hot air, like if you have a 2-story house, hot air, it rises, whereas cold air drops. So you'll feel a lot of that cold air and you're like, my goodness, you know, you try to run your heater, all the hot air is up top, but your cold air is still down low. So you're feeling like, man, even though the heater's on, I can still feel this cold draft. It's due to your windows. It's going to be the weakest link in your house. You hear me say that all the time. That is going to be the reason why you feel that cold in your house, even when you're running the heater all day long. That's going to be one of the main reasons. Number 2, operations of your window are being affected. So for instance, you have a window that slides up and down, or at least one time used to, and is now either stuck shut or stuck open, whatever the case is. That is going to be a big reason why you need to get new windows. None of those windows are going to have any kind of warranty, any service for somebody to come out and get that done, except for like a handyman. You know, they can come out and they can maybe replace a balancer if it's fixable. A lot of times they'll find that, hey man, at this point, this window is not really functioning well, and no matter what we do, it's never really gonna function like it did 20, 30, 40 years ago. So then that would be a great time to think about maybe getting brand new windows that have lifetime warranties, things like that. Also, we're gonna protect you against the heat and cold. So, you know, not only is functionality a factor, also the performance of the window. So if you have a balancer that, a window that slides up and down and no longer does, something, you know, broke on the spring, you'd have a full lifetime warranty for a technician to come out and fix that window for you. That's always nice to have in your back pocket. You know, you just know and rest easy that, hey, I bought these new windows, it's a great investment, and I'm gonna have service. So if something happens with the window, I can be fine, there'll be no problem. And finally, number 3, high AC bills. And this is going to be because of the same problem, single pane window, whether it's aluminum or wood, the single piece of glass is allowing heat to come through. So in the summer months, especially south facing, you're gonna have a lot of warmth coming in through those windows. And if you're dialing your AC down, trying to get it as cool as possible in the house, you're gonna find that more times than not, that AC probably will not shut off in the hottest months. It'll just keep running, and you get your bill and you look and you're like, my goodness. Well, that's because your AC is gonna continually run because it never actually hits the temperature that you set it for. The beauty of having a high performance window, dual pane, high performance low ease, that's gonna get cut drastically, dramatically. The AC can work a lot less harder. So it'll turn on for a few minutes, cool the atmosphere. The windows are gonna do their job to not let all that heat barrel through and just keep the atmosphere inside the house so hot. So it'll maintain that nice cool temperature, and then once it gets a little bit warmer, then your AC will kick back on again and then cool it back down. You're not gonna get that with old single pane windows. You're just not gonna get that. So that's gonna be another indicator. Probably should look into some windows. Hey guys, well, hopefully this information helps you. 3 reasons that are signs that you would need new windows. It's pretty plain and clear, but I at least want to let you know, and this is what we do for a living. Any questions that you may have, reach out to us. Go to AmericanWindowConcepts.com and we'll reach back out. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Santa Barbara area and you are interested in getting replacement windows or doors, don't hesitate to reach out to us. You can go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com. You can click on the Get a Free Quote and fill out that information. I'll reach out to you within 24 hours. Thank you so much.
Hey guys, thanks again for watching this video. If you want to be kept updated on new videos that are coming out, just hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.